Hi, this is Tiger from RobotDigg. In last video, we have mentioned about the lead screw and ball screw, and I want to show you the lead screw nut in this video, because you can see here the linear stem motor are usually come with lead screw especially for 3D printer or other small CNCs, and the ball screw are popular for like pick and place machine or other kind of bench top or larger size CNC or equipment. But this lead screw and linear stem motor is the most cost performance solution for small or other low cost equipment or CNCs. And there in this video you can find we have two kinds of material for the lead screw nut. Here you can see this one is brass, or you can call it copper. I'm not sure, but this one is POM, black one. Some maybe other material like Delrin another material for the nut. This brass nut, as I know, some of the makers or builders are trying to find this kind of brass nut, but how's the performance compared with this kind of two different materials, the POM nut or the brass nut? You need to try. You need to choose. In my opinion, this brass nut is noisy, quite noisy, and in some maybe in your first imagination that this brass nut may be wearable, but the fact is that the plastic one, the POM black one, is more wearable and quiet. So here, we have this linear stem motor. Let's give it power. Speed. We put POM nut onto the lead screw, and you can see when it comes with node, it's very quiet. It's very quiet. I will put this brass nut onto the lead screw as well, and let's check how it performs. This screw nut is for TR8+4 lead screw. Very poor machining for this brass nut will maybe cause it's not very easy to put onto the lead screw. says TR4, right? Oh, sorry. That one is not T. This one is TR4. This nut is for TR8 plus 8. Check out. Oh, here, this one is TR8 plus 2, 2 millimeter pitch. This one is also 2 millimeter pitch, but for 2 studs, 4 millimeter leads. Here you can see we put this brass nut onto the screw, and yeah, you can hear the noise. Also, I mentioned that if it is not machining good, it will wobble. You see that yeah, there is backlash. And this one also we can check this. It's tight but smooth. Yeah, so there is no such backlash, even though it's not anti-backlash nut. Here is another 3 nut. You can see there is a spring. This spring are helpful to anti-backlash because we use it as we compress this spring and use this tension to knock the nut and make sure there is no space between the 2 teeth. Let's put it on. It's not that easy to. We need to press this. But should we press to the bottom? No, I don't think you need to put in the bottom, but we need to give it some press because we want to use the tension, use the spring tension for anti-backlash. This, I could say, I mentioned that the ball screw nut is not good machining. There are small or there are tiny sculpture or small tiny metal brass into on the teeth that will block the make it's very let's check this one. It can't get through. Get through because that there were tiny scratches left on the nut. All the this you can see here. I need to take off this. I think this one caused a problem.
Try it again. It still can go through. I failed to mount it onto the loose. Okay, successful. Yeah. If we give the spring some tension, some compression, we compress the spring to get some tension, and then it will add backlash because there is no such there is no space between teeth. Another interesting question is that is there nut come with a non-captive type linear state motor? In Europe, we do not supply any nut for linear for non-captive linear state motor because the mounting types is different with external drive linear state motor. Also, it does not come with screw nut with this kind of captive linear state motor. You can see here we have brass nut and pure nut, and also this kind of anti-backlash brass nut. And here is another anti-backlash nut, but all in pure except the tension spring. So it's not tension type. Let's put it onto the screw. I hate this brass nut. This one is pure anti-backlash nut. Let's take off this anti-backlash nut first and check on this screw separately. Take care of the spring to not fly away. Okay. Let's take off this screw from the non-captive unit stepper and check out the performance of the screw nut. Here is the pure anti-backlash nut. through. Very tiny scratches get off from the brass. Okay. With the Delrin Nut. We have put both of this anti-backlash nut onto the new screw.
Here is another type of anti-backlash nut. It comes in of brass one, and this pure nut, and the spring, and this. So my conclusion is that the brass nut is not my ideal. It's not my ideal option or chosen for the lead screw, but the pure nut, because of the two features. One is the pure nut is more quiet and more wearable than the brass nut. Pure nut is good. Thanks for watching.